Zingamashumi 34 zasemayini iLonmin ezaqothwa amaphoyisa ngenhlamvu ngomhla ziyishumi-nesithupha kuNcwaba ka-2012. Abasinda kulesibhicongo bathi uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kufanele abanxephezele.
Eze kuthi azothetha hayi ndiyaxolisa ngantoni atsho.
Umholi we-AMCU uthi kufanele kuguqulwe imigomo yezokuphepha nayezempilo ukuze izinkampani zezimayini kuzoba yizo ezinxephezela izisulu kanye nemindeni.
Lonmin hasn't spent a cent. Sibanye Stillwater, Nilfroliman hasn't spent a cent. And these workers were killed, used by the white monopoly capital. And we have to take our tax, our pay-as-you-earn, and compensate our fellow brothers.
Ongummeli wemndeni yesisulu uAdvocate Dalimpofu uthi izizathu ezibekwe uMengameli wakuleli uCyril Ramaphosa azokuhluleka ukuxolisa nokwakha itshe lesikhumbuzo endaweni yesigameko zingamampunge.
There was somebody on television yesterday who told a lie. When the question was asked, why is it that Ramaphosa, having promised at the funeral of Comrade Winnie Mandela that he was going to come here to apologize or to speak to the widows. And then this person said, the reason why Ramaphosa has not come here is because the AMCU was stopping him.
Yize sekuphele iminyaka eyi-12 laba ababa nesandla kulesibhicongo abakaze bashushiswe kuze kube yimanje.